I've taken the apron off and given it everything a good clean. I've just used kerosene to clean it up with. Originally I wasn't going to make this video because there was actually another video up there by Enots Engineering about how to do this, how to disassemble and reassemble everything. But his is a slightly later model than mine, and so I thought I'd show this one. This is the saddle from the Boxford Model C. It's quite an early one, and it doesn't have the power feed on it. So in his video he shows when he takes off these two bolts on the apron, there's part of the power feed keeps this attached to the lead screw. Well, if you don't have that power feed, this thing very neatly jumps straight off the lathe and tries to suicide itself on the floor. Thankfully I was quick enough to catch it. But yeah, I thought I'd go through now. I'm just going to put this back together, so I'll do that, and hopefully I can remember how to do it all. Well, as is typical when you first try and do something on camera, things go wrong. First time I tried to do this, there was a bit of swarf stuck in the threads. I think something was stopping the grub screw from going in properly. But I think I'm there now, so I'll try it again. So I'll put that one goes in there. Then I'll spring. And then a screw goes on top. Let's try it that way. It's a bit more like it. There we go. The top one with the oil is lower. The bottom one there. Yeah, that's got him. Pressed it in the vise. I had to use the gear puller to get it off, so that's not really a surprise. I need to find something to plug this hole though before I start using it, because that's my oiler hole, and I don't have a spare cap at the moment. I'll have to have a hunt around, see what we've got. Well, there we go. Apron's back together with the skin of my teeth. And yeah, I hope that's useful to someone. Like I say, I'll link to the other video down in the description.